Gehani Properties and Defense Builders and Developers present Spring Homes in the heart of Behria Town, Karachi. Stylish 125 square yards luxury villas. With modern internal designing, make sure your luxury living. Spring Homes. Live your peaceful life surrounded with the world-class amenities of Behria Town, Karachi. Dancing fountain, golf club, carnival, and other recreational areas. Day and night safari, cricket stadium, Taj Mahal, world-class infrastructure, along with 24-hour security. Your peaceful living in Behria Town, Karachi. Spring Homes from Gehani Properties and Defense Builders and Developers. For booking and detail, contact Gehani Properties 021 3529 7302. 021 3529 7301.